www stands for correct answer is D. World Wide Web. Which among following first generation of computers had correct answer is vacuum tubes and magnetic drum. Where is RAM located? Correct answer is C. Motherboard. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as correct answer is B. Multiprocessor. If a computer provides database services to others, then it will be known as correct answer is B. Database server. Full form of URL is correct answer is D. Uniform Resource Locator. In which of the following form data is stored in computer? Correct answer is C. Binary. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wires of telephone network is correct answer is B. DSL. Which level language is assembly language? Correct answer is C. Low level programming language. Documents, movies, images and photographs are stored at correct answer is C. File server.